So hello everyone, it's happy to see you all of quite a long time. So in this video we are going to cover this Vitiligo white patch. As you can see this image, we are going to make a white patch cover up with the exact skin tone. So the process has been started now. As you can see, we have initiated the process and we are trying to match with the exact skin tone as it has been mentioned over there. So usually the client requirement was to make a little more darker tone than the actual skin tone, so we are making one tone darker tone than the actual skin tone, so that once got healed it will be matched with the exact skin tone and it will gives you the much more better output. So the process has been started now, it's going on more smoother way. So the reddishness, it's looking a little reddish now, that's completely because of small bleeding will happen, but that's completely normal. It's all will get settled down in a matter of 2 to 3 hours, so no need to worry about that much. So mainly in this video we are trying to match the exact skin tone. As you can see, the color which I'm applying is different and the output is different. That output is differentiation is happening mainly because of the small bleeding and the swelling happening in the body. Apart from that, it's completely natural to be okay. So the skin matching is happening with the seamless experience. As you all know, it's getting much more better. So now it might look a little reddish, but once got healed it will give you the much more better output. So see the skin tone, when I am making the color, that color and the skin tone is almost matching it up. A small differentiation of darkness was there, but kind of it's almost matching it up. And many other things, this process can be done by many people, but it is not. It requires the special skill to be achieving it, and it cannot be done by every people. And some of them thinking it's similar to the tattoos. It is not. The ink which we are using is completely different, and then the cartridge which we are using is completely different, so it's not similar to the tattoos. And usually the people who lost their skin pigments, they'll be go ahead with this treatment, and due to the help of this treatment we'll be started to retain our skin back. That's the main procedure about it. But most of the times when the client's getting it done, they'll be go ahead and getting it done from the amateurs or the backyard operators. Due to that, many of the times they'll start to lose their quality and end up getting a dark gray color or black color also. So don't risk your skin in that way. Go ahead with the professional places. We are doing this treatment from almost 12 years now, so we are more experienced, and we have treated almost more than 50,000 clients as of now. So we know all kind of skin nature, and we are getting people from all over the world, and we know how to treat them and how the skin reacts on a different people and how to give the much more better output for the different people. We know that very clearly. And if you are a person want to book an appointment, please contact us in the display numbers mentioned in the display. Please do contact us in that same number. And if you require any more information, please do comment us. Our team will be help you out back. And we require our clients to be book an appointment and then visit us. In that way we can provide a much more better service to the clients. So here I am making a little more darker tone, so clients wants to check it out after this patch test which place is good, and she plans to go ahead on that color on her body. So she wants to check it out whether how it's going to be get reacted. So we are making a little darker tone on the side of the leg, so that we can get to know how's the result and the output is coming. So the process is happening so smooth, it's almost going to get over the patch test on this particular place. So patch test and then the actual full body treatment, the duration between that is anywhere between 25 days to 30 days. In that way we can get to know how's the skin reacting to that artificial pigments and how it's accepting it. As you can see now I'm making it darker, right? So the client was asking me to make it more darker, so that's why I'm just implementing once again the darker tone, so that once got healed, obviously this place will get, I'm explaining this tone I made it more darker and that tone I made it a little lighter. So we'll see after the patch test which one is suitable, will we go ahead with that. So as you can see, one side it's matching with the exact skin tone, another both sides I made it a little darker tone, so that once got healed we can get to know which one to be go ahead. So I'm signing off. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, don't die nude.